Cormorants are sleek, dark-colored seabirds, perfectly adapted to life of fishing. With long, thin beak tipped with sharp hook, they are expert hunters, diving beneath the waves to catch their prey. In Monterey, there are mainly three species of cormorants: the Brent cormorant, pelagic cormorant, and the double-crested cormorant. In some scenarios, these three species often mix with each other, making them hard to identify. But today, I'm going to teach you how to identify each species by their own morphological traits. Let's start with the Brent cormorant. They have the largest population and can be found resting on coastal rocks in hundreds or thousands of individuals. I took this picture on December 5th, 2021. As you can see, on this rock, there are a lot of Brent cormorant rooming and resting. The identifying features of this bird is their dark body, sometimes with a green iridescent, blue eyes, and a black beak, a long standard black beak with a hook. These birds prefer to live in the marine habitat and can be found commonly around coastal waters and coastal cliffs, coastal rocks. Young individuals, however, have brown bodies and a brown eye instead of blue eyes. Now let's go to the pelagic cormorant. The pelagic cormorant is closely related to the Brent cormorant, but they have orange bills, a greenish blue eye, and a very noticeable white patch behind their wings. The double-crested cormorant prefer to live in freshwater habitats instead of saltwater habitats, like the previous two species. They have yellow bills, a green eye, and a body that is lighter in color compared to the two species above. One of the most iconic sights of a cormorant is when it stands tall with wings spread. Some people have seen this posture as a symbol of death, but there's actually a more practical reason behind it. Unlike most birds, cormorant doesn't have waterproof feathers. This gives them an edge underwater, making them less buoyant and more efficient hunters. But after a dive, they need to dry off, or they'll struggle to take flight again. So when you see a cormorant with wings open, it's simply because they're getting ready for their next adventure.